Yes, let us have discussions towards a solid state to discuss some of the questions. Welcome, my dear students. What you are watching? See here, it is truth about amorphous solids. So we discussed about this one. Irregularity, irregular arrangement of particles with a short range order of forces leads to give irregular shape is correct, my dear. Next. Regular arrangement of particles is wrong, my dear. Isotropic with a range of melting point, there is no fixed melting point, correct. No cleavage property, it is not divided into sharp edges, correct. No X-ray diffractions, this is one of the properties of crystalline solids, so it is also correct. Then answer is B and A and C. A and C are correct, B is wrong, option D is correct. No need of further explanation. We just move to another one, which is correctly matched. Teflon is a polymer. Polymer is amorphous. That is isotropic. Correct. Next, KNO3. That is a solid, crystalline solid with a sharp melting point. So therefore, that is wrong. Benzoic acid is also a crystalline solid. It has cleavage property. It is also wrong. Cellophane is a polymer and it is isotropic. It is also wrong. Anisotropic is given. So second one is what you are watching. Second one is answer correctly matched in is A is correctly matched. Now move to next question. Metallic solid is or the constant particles are positive ions, that is metal ions in the sea of delocalized electrons, correct. Malleable, ductile and good conductors in molten state and in solid state is correct, my dear. Alkali metal solids are soft, whereas transition metals are very hot, correct. And the correct answer is all these are two statements about metallic solids. Answer is D. Predict the incorrect statement in this case. Solid CO2 is a non-polar molecular solid. Yes, it is non-polar due to dipole moment is 0, linear shape, correct. And it is held by London forces, nothing but weak van der Waals forces. Solid SO2 is a dipolar molecule. Polarity is there, and due to polarity, it is existed with dipole-dipole interactions. Second statement is also correct. Ice, that is solid H2O, is with a hydrogen bonded molecular solid is also correct, dear student. And fourth one is molecular solids are with low melting points and they are not conducting electricity, they are insulated. So all these four statements are correct. Which is incorrect? Incorrect is asked here. Incorrect one is, no one is incorrect, and it is a special case, generally not expected by ordinary student. So it is none of this is incorrect statement. All are correct statements is the other version of asking question to confuse the student. As which is a good conductor of electricity due to free electrons in molten state. Free electrons here ions are present in molten state, Na plus and Cl minus ions. Copper is a solid, crystalline solid, and electrons are present. They are moving, that's why it is a good conductor due to free electrons. Diamond, bad conductor. Dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide, bad conductor. Option B is correct in case of fifth one. As observe next question, that is solid NaCl is a bad conductor of electricity. How do you understand this one? Yes, that is due to absence of free electrons, no free electrons in NaCl, that is wrong statement. No velocity of ions, that is correct. Solid NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus ions are at fixed positions, not move, and therefore no velocity of ions is the reason. Absence of ions wrong. Solid NaCl is a covalent solid is a wrong answer. So the correct one is a bad conductor due to no velocity of ions is the right answer. Sixth one. Look into this one. Malleability. What is malleability? Yes, malleability is you have to beaten the solid material into sheets. Ductility is drawn into wires. Thin wires we have to draw the material. These are the two properties of metals due to crystalline structure of metal, presence of electrostatic forces, interaction of electrons with metal ions. D. Capacity of layers of metal ions to slide over the other is the reason to show malleability and ductility of metals. Option D is correct. Glass object of old buildings. Building is found to be slightly thicker at the bottom. At the bottom, it is thicker than at the top. Top is thin and opaque, transparent, and bottom is thicker. Why it is? Because it is exposed to sunlight for many years. Therefore, what happened? And glass material has a property to move the particles. Mobility of the particles is there. Fluidity of the particles. Therefore, fluidity of the particles in glass is the property. Poor quality of glass is wrong. Sharp melting point is not correct. None of these. Answer is A. Fluidity of the glass is also board-oriented question. 8th one. So 8th one is answer A. Fluidity. A pure crystalline structure on being heated gradually first forms a turbid looking liquid and then turbidity completely disappears. First turbidity and then turbidity disappears later. This behavior of characteristic of the substance forming. Here fluidity or mobility of the particles observed, such one is known as liquid crystals, which is not in the text. That is a collection as in-depth information. So 9th one is D, that shows fluidity of the material. Yes, the incorrect statement, concentrate every time, correct or incorrect, that is very, very important. Incorrect statement as crystal lattice is the regular three-dimensional arrangement of constituents in the space. Constant means ions, atoms or molecules. There are 7 crystal systems. What are those 7 crystal systems? That is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal, monoclinic, triclinic. These are 7 crystal systems we discussed in a nice way. Therefore, there are 7 crystal systems and there are 14 Bravais lattices. Bravais lattices arrangement of the repeating unit to give the crystal structure. 14 Bravais lattices. Mathematics scientists from mathematics department, that is correct. A unit cell is characterized by 2 parameters, that is a bond length and a bond angle and bond length. Unit cell is the smallest 3-dimensional repeating unit of the crystal lattice. D correct. What is the mistake in this case? 2 parameters bond angle. Bond angle is 3 we need. And a bond length. Bond angle, bond length not correct. Axial angle, axial length is required. So option C is an incorrect statement in this case. I hope you are following nicely in this way. Yes. A crystal system which has all 4 types of unit cells: simple cubic lattice, face-centered cubic lattice, body-centered cubic lattice, end-centered cubic lattice. That crystal system has parameters. What is that one? That is observed in orthorhombic. If you see from the table, we have knowledge about the tabular column of all 7 crystal systems with different axial lengths and different axial angles. Based on this one, that is identified as, that is orthorhombic. This information is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic has parameters alpha equal to, beta equal to, gamma equal to 90 and A not equal to, B not equal to C. It is just like matchbox in the house. or a duster in the classroom. These two are examples of A not equal to B not equal to C, whereas alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90. Where is it observed? That is orthorhombic, right combination. Go, wrong combination, and this is the right combination. So answer C is correct in 11th case. Welcome back, my dear students. To look into this question, a little bit disturbance is there. Zinc oxide FeO are generally possessed which type of defects? How is zinc oxide, dear students? Zinc oxide is heated, which is colorless into zinc 2 plus ions and 2 electrons, and half mole oxygen is escaped from the crystalline structure. These electrons are coming back to occupy the voids, and zinc 2 plus ions also occupied. Some extra zinc 2 plus ions are coming. The formula is Zn 1 plus X number and O. Excess metal ions are present. Metal efficiency, Frankel. Okay, leave it. So answer is Frankel Schottky not correct. Why? Because these two are non-stoichiometric solids. So it is metal excess. What about iron oxide? Iron oxide here to satisfy the values of oxygen, sufficient number of iron atoms are not available because it is existed in +2 state and +3 state. Therefore, it is a metal deficiency defect. So answer C correct in case of 21st. I hope you followed, which is a textual information. Which of the following conditions favorable for the existence of the substance in the solid state? As how is the solid existed? Solid is existed when particles are attracted closely, that is possible. Attraction forces are more in case of low temperatures, and so low temperatures are favorable conditions to show that one. So 22nd direct information is B, no hesitation without concluding or without reading other options. Which of the following is isotropic? What is isotropic, dear students? Isotropic. Okay, you are watching here isotropic. Isotropic is explained like this. Along different axes, the property of solid like refractive index. Along different axes, refractive index. This is one of the properties of solids. With different values is anisotropic. Same value, that same value is isotropic. It is a property of amorphous solids. So diamond is a crystalline solid, rhomic sulfur is a crystalline molecular solid, and diamond is a crystalline covalent solid, and plastic sulfur is amorphous solid. This is the right answer. Carbonum silicon carbide is a covalent crystalline solid. So A, B, D are crystalline. C is amorphous. That is the right answer. Sharp melting point of crystalline solids due to the particles are arranged very closely and long range order forces are present. Where is it available? A regular arrangement of constant particles observed over a short distance is correct. Here long distance is given. Statements are very close. So A statement is correct and remaining this is related. This is not related. This is also related, but not a true explanation. So the true explanation is available in option A, 24A. The lattice site in a pure crystal cannot be occupied by. Yes. What is occupied in molecular solids? Molecule is occupied like solid carbon dioxide. In NaCl, ions are occupying. As in diamond, atoms are occupying. But the electron has no particular space to occupy. But because it is in moving, it has no fixed place. So this is the right answer. It has no lattice point in the crystal structure. 25, C option. Which crystal system has one rotation of symmetry? One rotation of symmetry. What is rotation of symmetry? If you're rotating the system, suppose it is rotated 90 degrees, the shape is appeared or should be appeared. This is along axis I am rotating. At what degrees the system is repeating? The shape is repeated, that is symmetry, and there are along axis, along faces, along point. There are three types of symmetry elements. That is plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, point of symmetry. So triclinic is an unsymmetric system. After 360 degrees rotation, the shape is appeared. So that is triclinic with only one rotation of symmetry. After rotating, the same shape is appeared after 360 degrees. 360 by 360, one rotation, 1. 360 by 4, 90 degrees. If you rotate 90 degrees, if shape is repeated, 90. 360 by 94. There are 4 types of symmetries, axis of symmetry, like that possible to take. So here the answer 26, answer 26D. Yes, move to 27, which is very easy. How many number of atoms are there in cubic unit cell having one atom on each corner? One atom at each corner. How many corners of the cube? 8 corners. 8 corners, but they are under sharing. After sharing into 1 by 8, 1. Next. 2 atoms on each body diagonal. How many body diagonals? From that corner to this corner, one body diagonal. This bottom corner to top corner, second body diagonal. From that end, 2 body diagonals. So total 4 body diagonals in a cube. 4 body diagonals. 4 body diagonals into 2, 8. 8 plus 1. Why? Because inside the cube not shared by other unit cells. Therefore, it is 8 plus 1. 9 is the right answer. If options are not available, that is an integer question in a JEE question paper. 27, D option. 28. The number of atoms in a unit cell of Na, BCC. Na is crystallized in BCC, alkali metals. What is BCC? 8 corners after sharing, 1 by 8. 1 body centered, cannot be shared, 1 total 2. Next. Magnesium crystallizes, magnesium. Magnesium is in FCC. What is FCC? 8 corners after sharing, 1. 6 face centers, each face center shared by 2 unit cells, 1 by 2 is equal to 3, total 4. So 2, 4 is available in option C, that is right one. Now come to 29th question. How many nearest and next nearest neighbors? What is nearest? Nearest neighbors of a particle is known as coordination number. In solids, coordination number in solids. As this is at what distance in this case? It is in BCC. In BCC, what is the nearest distance? That is 1K at body center. 1K at body center. Other case are at 8K at corners. So, at what distance? Body center. Body diagonal distance is root 3A. Root 3A after applying Pythagoras theorem. that is half root 3a by 2. This is at what distance? At root 3a by 2 distance. The particles are held, that is the nearest neighbor. 8. Next nearest neighbor. So here in this room body centered 1k and next unit cell body centered k. At what distance? From edge it is a by 2. From that edge, from this edge to that body centered is a by 2. A by 2 plus a by 2. A at a distance. So therefore next nearest neighbor word is first time you are listening, not in answer available. Next nearest neighbor at what distance? At a distance. At a distance a. At distance a. What is that one here? Yes. Along faces. This is body centered k. Next body centered k. This body centered. That one. Back side. Bottom. Top. The number is 6. So this is the right answer B. At what distance? This is extra information. That is 6 in number. Or if you take, this is NA K. Along this edge A, distance A 1. Along this one 2. Along this one 3. Along this one 4. Next unit cell 1, 2, 3. Within the unit cell, other unit cell 4, 5, 6. This is the information for understanding purpose with respect to corner. Along edges number of corners are 6 corners. So that is 6. 8 comma 6. At what distance? Distance A. Very nice question. Oh yeah, I think useful in only JEE. The last question in this session is, which is incorrect statement? Yes. In NaCl, tetrahedral voids are not occupied. Octahedral voids are occupied by Na plus ions. Corners and faces are occupied by Cl minus ion. Information available in one of the previous questions. Zinc sulfide. Zinc ions alternate tetrahedral voids. S2 minus ions crystallize in FCC. So, octahedral voids are not occupied. Correct? In CaF2, calcium crystallizes in FCC. F minus ion occupying tetrahedral voids. Correct? All tetrahedral voids. But in Na2O, oxygen FCC and Na occupying all the tetrahedral voids. All the tetrahedral voids occupied. Unoccupied is given wrong. So D. 30th D is the right answer, which is incorrect given in the words. Have a nice interaction with you. Good luck to everyone. Prepare well and wait for next video to continue remaining some of the questions under solid state. Thank you.